Number 9, there will be more sanctions on Russia that will slow down China and India's importation of oil from Russia. And you know, the way I so many person or solve Ukraine and Russia and talk on they will end up piling up so many sanctions on Russia. No mama sa sanction, e mama secondary sanction aka one secondary tariff. The country be na one in Russia be digba no. You be send the sanction so and e be ma tariffs. Because of this, China for ni India for omo na ya omo to oil be pa with Russia no. They will try to slow down a bit. Almost slow because ye turn publicly. The Western world no ebe pour sanction on us because of that. Obon say India and China. Ombe slow. I will draw money Russia. Edi. So I say there will be more sanctions on Russia that will slow down China and India's importation of oil from Russia.